Okay, where I can write my name? Where I can write my name? The first one. But first we need stickers. Here. You know that sticker? Nah, this is not the right sticker because this, I cannot find this the right sticker. Maybe here. No. Listen. Oh, here is it. I'm gonna move the God. This is so hard to open it. Oh, we can use this one, and we can use the open. Maybe we can open it. Oh no. Maybe this is really good. We can split it. Okay. Let's see the first one. We need over the lines. Maybe not good. Maybe like this. The lines. Not in the over the lines. Okay, good. Let's use colors. Like this. You need to draw another color. Oh, let's use yellow. Let's draw. But I split the lines. I need to be really careful. Look, I'm not splitting the lines. Uh-oh, I'm run red. Let's go really quickly. We need to kind of weigh these stones and then we can fall. Whoa, that was closing the line. Oh, the ducky. Let's draw. Uh-oh, we get to start the line. This duck is orange. Oh, my favorite, orange and blue. You're like... Wow. Okay, let's use this one now. It's red. It's like orange. We did it. Okay, let's do it with here because we have 2 feet. It's like a ducky. That's good and that's funny. Wow, almost done, guys. Done. Okay, we need to be careful in the lines. Oh. Wow, that's my name. Good. Okay, let's draw. Maybe this hat is red. It is red. I do not think so. It's not red here. Oh, look, it's not red. I almost forgot it. Not this is red. Okay, not collecting line really fast. Woo! Like. I think it's a little bit. Walkie talkie. Hello, hello. It's like the green. like coloring, but this is really fun. Coloring is fun because you can draw anything. You cannot just flip like this. You can use really fast and you can check the lines. That's not good. You need to be slowly because we cannot flip the lines. Okay, for one last thing is this one. Okay, let's put this away. Top. Over there, you got it. We did it! Okay, let's use the ice. But we gotta use the stickers because look, all the stickers. Oh, I see a sticker. It's right there. We got it more. Oh, we did it. What is that page we're gonna use? Let's see that. Okay, a little bit closer. Oh, I'm doing it. A little bit. Okay. Maybe I did Christmas. Whoa. Oh, that's close. Okay. Oh, it's a span boat. I don't think so. Okay. Don't need to be up.
Red, brown, blue.
I need red and brown, blue. Brown. Obviously what is here is brown and blue. Oh. Baby is the right color. 4 colors. Okay, let's throw one more red color. Okay, let's look at the line part. Oh no! I was telling you something. We need orange yet. Okay. Okay, let's use that page. Good. Okay, first I need to use this. Go in the same line and only one thing at a time. We did it! Maybe it's more that you need to be covered. Because here, orange. I see it in the pages. That's cool. And this is funny. Okay, let's use our hat. Oh, our hat is in the world. This one is blue. It is blue. Okay, let's draw. Let's draw. The drawing is really fun. I'm really drawing. Okay. Maybe we get. Oh, I forgot in this. Just look the lines. Wow, it was really good. I'm not split the lines. Maybe I'm good. Oh. So close. Small is for writing. I'm writing. Then white, brown are the living rooms back. What does it think? Oh. Okay. See? It's black hearts. Pink.